Today, we take you inside a luxury leather factory to show how premium school bags are made through a precise, high-end production process.
Every industrial process begins long before production starts. The environment remains carefully managed at every stage. Consistency and control guide the operation from the very beginning. Every movement connects directly into the next stage ahead. The transition toward transport preparation now begins. From the farm, the process now moves toward industrial transport. The loading process begins with calm and controlled movement. Each step forward connects the next stage of transport. The transport system operates with steady industrial precision. Every section is prepared for stable movement ahead.
The loading phase reaches its final moments.
With the cargo secured, the convoy prepares to depart.
The journey now moves toward the next generation processing facility. Distance and coordination remain critical throughout the journey. The entire operation advances with uninterrupted precision.
Every route is designed to maintain the flow of production.
The next stage begins inside the industrial processing complex. Transport is complete as the convoy enters the production facility. The unloading process begins as the convoy reaches the factory floor. Each stage transitions directly into the next operation. Controlled movement remains essential during every transfer.
Easy now, steady. Watch your step right there. Good boy.
Every section of the factory operates in continuous coordination. The next phase begins inside the inspection section of the facility. The inspection process begins before production can continue. Every stage is monitored with industrial precision.
Careful observation ensures the operation remains consistent.
The process advances through each connected checkpoint.
Approval allows the production flow to continue forward.
The operation now moves into the main processing stage. The material now enters the industrial cleaning process.
The material is now ready for industrial leather conversion.
The process continues through multiple connected cleaning stages. Continuous monitoring keeps the production line consistent.
The cleaned material advances directly into the next transformation stage. Every surface is cleaned through controlled industrial systems. The transformation into industrial leather now begins. Heat and pressure shape the material into usable leather. Precision systems maintain uniform structure across every sheet. Controlled drying prepares the material for final refinement. Every surface is refined before entering manufacturing.
The leather is now prepared for industrial shoe production.
The material now enters structured manufacturing preparation. Every component is shaped with exact industrial precision. Automation ensures perfect consistency across every part. Refinement prepares every piece for structured assembly.
All components now move toward final construction.
The final form begins to take shape through industrial assembly. The structured form now becomes a complete product body. Every seam is reinforced with industrial precision. Functional elements are added with exact mechanical control. Every detail is tested for durability and function. Structure is stabilized before final inspection. The production cycle now reaches its final verification stage. Every product now enters strict quality verification.
Surface precision defines industrial quality standards.
Each unit must pass structural endurance verification. Functionality is verified through continuous mechanical testing.
Only verified products advance to final packaging.
And this is how modern factories produce school bags from start to finish.